G'day, Jonathan here, Hyworth Forklifts. Today I'm just going to give you a quick demonstration on the new Hyworth 2.2 ton lithium pallet mover. This particular machine comes with its own unique lithium battery, which is maintenance free, and it also comes with its own built-in charger as well, which is a 240 volt charger, which is extremely handy for just being able to charge that up whenever you need to put some extra power in the machine. It has this big load guard here, which is really convenient just for protecting the back of the machine. If you've got any high loads, you've got that extra protection there with that load guard. So now this particular model, you have your lift and your lower buttons here. So I'm just going to quickly come down there, and you've got your lift function here. Okay, it's all fingertip control. You've got your horn there. You also have a turtle switch here if you want to go in a slower speed. And this model also comes with a unique upright walking button. So normally when you operate the machine, it won't operate if you haven't got the handle in the middle position here. But if you're in a really tight, compact space, I can actually just hold this button in here, and I can actually stand really close to the machine here, and you can see there, I'm able to just sneak up really close behind the machine there, and if I'm in a really tight space, I've just been able to just work in that compact space there. So now I'm just going to give it a quick little drive around and just show you how smooth it is. You can just see here, it's just really smooth, really quiet, extremely compact as well. It's really a handy machine for the back of a truck, or if you are at a warehouse environment, and you've got that extra lift capacity of those 2.2 tons, which is pretty handy. So if you want to find out any more information about this particular machine, if you just want to jump on hyworthforklifts.com.au. Thank you.